Hi guys, my name is Puti and today I'm gonna show you what I've got from melbournesecretsale.com.au. So this company is an online warehouse company. They sell makeup and also other things like perfume and candles and a lot of things. They also sell clothes, but the main thing that I bought from them, this is the second time I bought from them, by the way. I bought their makeup collections. So you can check Melbourne Secret Sales. Their website is melbournesecretsales.com.au, and you can just pay for very cheap money to get all the good stuff for the makeup. So just before we start, I just want to declare a disclaimer that I'm making this video by myself without any affiliation with Melbourne Secret Sales. I just want to share to you what I got from them and just want to show you what I'm getting, and this is purely 100% my own video blog and my own opinion about the stuff that I will receive from them. Okay, so let's check it out what I got from them. So basically, this box I ordered, I choose the makeup collection and I pay $50 and to get 50 items. So let's see if we get 50 items for $50. And in the makeup selection, when you buy from the website, you can choose based on your skin tone, and because of my skin tone I choose medium skin tone. So they're gonna choose the makeup that they'll send to me that match with my skin tone. So let's see what I've got. Oh, I've got loofah. So this is actually, I meant to buy loofah for a long time. So it's time to change my loofah, and they sent this, which is awesome. So I don't need to buy another loofah. So there's one, and facial wipes, and I've got eyeshadow brush, which is good. I also need to change my eyeshadow brush. Let's see. Oh, the important thing, hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is important too for this time that we're living. Another brush, I have lip brush. It's good. I also need lip brush. Sometimes you also get makeup or accessories, so I just want to clarify that you don't get all 50 items in makeup, but also like accessories that relates to beauty as well. Okay, and this one I've got foundation from Inoxa, so I will check it out later. And this one, metallic eyeshadow, which is good, metallic eyeshadow. And I also got a nude eyeshadow palette, so let's check it out. This nice color. It's a nude collection. You can use this for everyday makeup. So sometimes it's good, I personally think sometimes it's good to have this kind of like surprise shopping, because Sometimes you want to buy a lot of stuff and then you end up don't use it. But then, like, you know, with this stuff, it's just exciting because you don't know what you're getting, and turns out, you know, it's the things that you need and it matches you. So it's called cream highlight, which is what I need. I need a highlighter too. And I've got this one also, eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow. So this one is blue, and the one that I have before is, the other one is what? Silver. So silver and blue metallic eyeshadow. Tweezers. It's pigmented lip gloss. I've got pink, which is what I'm using now. It's also pink, but it's from another brand. So pink is my favorite lipstick. Another lipstick, just nude color lipstick from Inoxa. And another, this one, cream blush. It's a cream blush. I'm just gonna open it now. Let's see. So it's pink cream blush. So you have this to apply it. I guess I'm just gonna try this one here. So you apply and then you dab it. It's a good color. Nice. Let's see what else do I get. Oh, that's a big one. Hand wash. Nice, I got hand wash. This is big. I can use wild fig and vanilla. Looks nice. And also another big bottle. This one also hand wash. Vanilla hand wash. A lot. I have liquid brow pen. Liquid brow pen. Let's see. So sometimes it's good also for me because every few months I tend to change all my makeup collection, because you know you have expiry times on your makeup. So rather than, you know, check out what is expired every few months, you can just get the new one. So this one from Australis, liquid brow pen. So it's this one's for your eyebrow. Another pigmented lip gloss from Australis. So most of the brand is Australian company. So I have two shades. No, this one, yeah, this is matte lip cream. This one is lip gloss and this one is lip cream. Let's see what they look like. I think it's in the texture because one is lip gloss and this one is lip cream. plastic is giving me static. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's see. It's creamy texture. And let's open this one, the lip gloss. So this one is the lip gloss. So what do you think? Lip gloss and lip cream. The lip cream definitely like matte texture. It's not shiny. Let's try. Let's try this lip gloss. It's good. Okay, let's try the other stuff. Another lip gloss, the red color. So I will have a new lip gloss collection now, which is good. Another lip cream, matte lip cream. It's matte texture. Another lip cream. Let's see how many lip cream and lip gloss or lipstick that I will get. So exciting! Here's another lip cream. Another lip cream. So these are different shades, definitely, obviously. They look similar, but you can tell they're slightly different color. And this one, lip crayon. And I got this just lipstick, normal lipstick, purple. How to open this? Okay. Purple. It's nice. Another matte lip cream again. You think they're the same, but they're slightly different. Different shades. And this one, mineral lipstick. It's different brand, different texture as well. Let's see how they look like. So it's this one here. It's this color. Beautiful. Another metallic eyeshadow. This one is dark metallic eyeshadow. This one. Dark lip cream, chocolate color. Brow tint for my eyebrow. And another lip crayon. Brow pencil in gel. This is for eyebrow as well, but this one is a gel tape. This one. So they look like this. And for the eyebrow. And another lip gloss. This is a clear nude color. And double eyeshadow. double eyeshadow, this color, and another metallic eyeshadow. This is good, like you've got this stuff which you can use daily, or when you have, like, you know, occasion or party or special occasion, you can use all this makeup accordingly. This is nice color, green. And another lip cream, slightly, so one is darker, one is lighter. Another lipstick, this color is called Indie Rock. Oh, my plastic on my finger. This one. Oh, this is bold color. Can use this for special occasion like Halloween. Halloween is coming up. I'm definitely gonna use this. Coming up still a long time, but still. Nail polish. How to open this? Okay. There you go. The packaging is very tight, which is good because it's a nail polish. I think I'm gonna need scissors. Okay, nail polish. Nice color. What do you think? Okay. Still got some more. So this one is a lip and cheek stick. So lipstick and blush on. Soft color, which is good. I love it. This one cream blush, so the other one is darker color. Remember, I've got this one already, and this one is slightly lighter. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. It's so exciting. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys, to use all this makeup. And I definitely am a terrible person to open plastic packaging. So this. See this one? They're different. They are different. And oh, another one. Like seriously, you can play every day with this makeup. It's different color, you know, like have different style every day, which is good. One day you go bright, one day you go soft, sweet, and see this one. And I've got another powder blush, another cream contour. This is good. I need this contour, so I have highlight and contour. See, I need this, and this one pop blush, so it's good. I have highlight and contour, and another lip cream, and what's this, lipstick, crayon style. This one, lip pencil, I should say. Oh, seriously, I am so terrible at this. There you go. Yes, it's crayon lipstick. And this one is a brow for eyebrow, 2-in-1 brow shape and highlight. So this soft color, and this is the highlight. I've got two more, so one more here is a liquid brow pen, like the other one before. Where is it? Where is the liquid brow pen? This one. Okay, so these are the same liquid brow pen, but one is light brown and one is dark brown. So I will see which one will match my eyebrow. I think definitely dark brown. Okay, the last one is facial scrub. So after all of this makeup, you know, trying all of this makeup, you have facial wipes and face scrub, which is good. I think, okay, that's all. So let's see. I forgot to count before when we receive everything, didn't I? Okay, let's see how many items that I received from the Melbourne Secret sale. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Well, there you have it, guys. So $50 for 50 items or more. As you can see that when we did the counting, it's more than 50. Obviously they give a few extra, which is good. I'm so thankful. And all of this, look at this. Again, so you can't go wrong really. If you don't like the items, if you don't like the color, you can just, you know, give it away to your friends, to your sister, to your daughter, so they can play. This is very exciting. I'm happy with what I've got from Melbourne Secret Sales, and definitely I will get this again in a few months time. So if you guys want to check out their website, you can go to melbournesecretsales.com.au. again, this is not a paid promotion. I'm doing this by my own, like I just want to share it with you. the exciting things that I received from Melbourne Secret Sales, and what I can use, what I can play with all these makeup that they give me. I'm so happy, so I'm excited. The second time I bought from them, I'm excited with what they give me. So again, with the Melbourne Secret Sales, when you purchase the makeup collection, you can choose based on your skin tone. So I choose medium skin tone, so these are what they give me, and I think from what I see, they all basically like match with my skin color, so I can definitely use this makeup. So thank you for watching, and please let me know which one you like the most, and you want to, which of the products that you like the most, and give me your opinions, and let me know in the comment below if you already tried that product from the website. Please let me know if you have tried to purchase from them, and share your experience too in the comment below, so I might know if you have tried another collection that they have. If you like the video, please like and share to your friends. They might also get excited to try all these beauties. So like me, I'm happy to try all of this. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.